Hey guys, welcome to the channel, the Blackjack Trading. So in today's video, we are going to trade on the news itself. As I told you, the news is going to be released in the market for the USD today. So today we have traded in the 2:30 p.m. Euro news. As you can see in the last video uploaded that the news was not as effective and there was no volatility as such, because of which we have to get it break even. So now at the 7:30 p.m. news, the job openings data is going to be released in the US dollar. Since it's a US dollar index, then the huge impact is going to be there in the whole of the Forex market. And since you can see that the timer has started for the last 3 minutes, so let's buckle up and do the fundamental and the technical analysis, ASAP. So what is happening over here? First of all, you have to understand USD news is there. So it's highly important for the gold itself, and it will be anti-correlated with the gold. That means if the news is good for USD, then it will be, negative for the gold itself. If it's bad for USD, it will be positive for the gold itself. Since the forecast data is 7.96 million, what can happen over here? Either the data can be positive, that will be good for US dollar, okay, and that will be negative for the gold itself, or it can be less than 7.96 million, because of which the gold can go towards the upside and the dollar index will be going towards the downside. So this is the today's fundamental analysis. Now let's move on to the technical analysis. So what's happening over here? As you can see, what's happening over here, this was the last chalk over here that had happened in the market. As I have told you in the light trading as well, this was the latest chalk in the market that had happened over here. And finally, after the chalk, what did happen? The market again tried to move towards the downside, going towards the downside like this, and finally giving us kind of a breakout at this exact level over here. Okay, so this is the major exact level from where the price actually tried to move towards the downside. From here, the price continued its major momentum from this point to this point. So this was a sweep in the market over here. As you can see that the price created this support in the market and then finally moving towards the upside. From here, what did happen internally? So what did happen? Again, the price actually gave us a good chalk in the market from this level. Okay, again, the market actually gave us the chalk from this level. So this is how the market structure has been created. The external market structure today has been very much, you can say, very much consolidating on a higher time frame level. So let's mark the structure. So this was the structure over here, and then this, and then finally this over here. So what did happen over here? What is it showing us? Now from here, you have to see which is the last momentum that has been created by the market. So this was the major resistance that was created by the market over here as well. So this was the new buy leg in the market, and this is the sell leg. Again, the buy leg has been created. So internally, so externally the structure is upside only. Okay, you have to understand externally the structure is upside. Now we have to look at the internal structure, whether we have to take a continuation entry or a reversal entry. So either the price will go towards the downsides and we have to take a reversal trade in the market, or the price will flow towards the upside and will take out this previous day high in the market. Since the major structure is upside, and you can see that even the internal structure is kind of internally market is trying to move towards the upside. So we are going to take a buy trade in the market, something like this, putting a stop loss exactly at this level. So this is how we are going to take a trade today, something like this. So we are going to put the stop loss around this level. Okay, and now we're going to take a trade. Since there's 30 seconds left, what we are going to do, we are going to put the target as the previous day high in the market. So we are going to put the target for the previous day high and the stop loss exactly at this level. So let's start, or let's execute the trade in the next 10 seconds. Wait for the next 10 seconds. Either it can move towards the inside or towards the upside. Okay, since 10 seconds are left, as you can see, the timer is on 10 seconds. I'm going to take the trade. I have entered into the trade. You can see that the trade is started. Now let's see, the target is there. The stop loss is there. 3, 2, 1. Okay, price started moving upside and then finally moved towards the downside, giving us a small stop loss. Okay, so I was right over here that the technical analysis that the price really wanted to move upside. Now let's look at the, you can say, data in the market. The data is not there. The data has not been released. Okay, so data has been released with the 8.14. That was, I told you that if this data is positive, okay, if this data is positive, then it is good for, you can say, US dollar, and is negative for that gold index itself. So technically the gold is an upside market. The market I was supposedly actually targeted this previous day high. I really thought that the market will try to take it out. And since externally and internally, you can see that the market has been hitting a series of higher highs and higher lows only, and there was no signs of reversal in the nature. This is because of the fundamental news only that the price would have tried to go towards the downside. Still, it's okay. We have taken a small stop loss, hit a small stop loss, not a very big thing, because if the market would have moved upside, then we would have made around 1:5, 1:6 risk reward. Okay, so with a small stop loss, we have done this news, we have taken this news. So we are going to be connecting for the next news in the market, which is tomorrow at 5:45, when the ADP non-farm employment change is going to be released in the market, and that's where we are going to take some good trade again. So we are going to start the live trading in next, I think, in the New York session. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, and hit the bell icon so that you can be live with us whenever I am coming live with the live trading itself. Okay, guys, till then, take care. I hope that your trading becomes very much profitable to you. I am uploading a lot of videos regarding the smart money concepts, and if you have any queries and you want to take some personal sessions, you are most welcome to contact on some WhatsApp number which is given in the description, guys. Okay, till then, take care. Hasta la vista. See you in the next video.